Hi, we are doing area and perimeter exercise 20B, question number 30. The diagram given below shows two paths drawn inside a rectangular field 80 meter long and 45 meter wide. There is a path, two paths. We can see that there are two paths. The width of the two paths are 8 meter and 15 meter as shown. This is 8 meter and this is 15 meter. Find the area of this shaded portion. So what is the area of the shaded portion? We can see here from the figure, area of shaded portion. There are two paths. One is vertical path and one is horizontal path, right? This is your horizontal path and this is your vertical path. Now if we find the area of vertical path and horizontal path and add them up. So what we see here, when we add the horizontal path, this whole path and this vertical path, this area, which is this common one, is coming twice. It is involved in the horizontal one and it is also involved in the vertical one, right? So from these two areas of horizontal and vertical path, we will remove this common area once. Clear? So first we will find area of vertical path. What is the area of vertical path? It is also in the form of rectangle. So this is the length. The length is 45. And what is the breadth? The breadth is 15. So 45 into 15 becomes 675. It is in meter, so meter square. Now what is area of the horizontal path? The area of the horizontal path is, this is the horizontal path. What is this length? This is 80. This much is 80, this 80, and this much into 8. That is 640 meters square. Now what we will do, we will find the area that is overlapping in both, right? This area which is overlapping, because we have to subtract that area from the total of these two areas. Area of overlap, just write area of overlap. So what is the area of overlap? This is 15, this is 8. 15 into 8, that is 120 meters square. So what will be therefore area of shaded path? Shaded area will be area of vertical path, area plus area of horizontal path. From this we will remove the area of overlap, because this overlap is overlapping twice and we need only once. It is in the vertical path also and it is in the horizontal path also. So it is involved twice. So one time we will remove it, we will get the exact area. So this is 675 plus 640 minus 120, which will come out as 1195 meters square is the area of the shaded part.